Yeah, the DDG Squad official merch is now live. You can scroll down right under this video. Make sure you click it and check out the official store on Teespring, or you can go to the link in the description. We got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got phone cases, we got leggings, we got everything for the ladies, the men, the kids, whatever you need. The DDG Squad official merch is fire. Get it now. It's only available for a limited time only. Hurry up, let's get it.
Kennedy, I need some advice.
What?
Do Corbin leave home and not come back for 2 weeks? Corbin is Kennedy's little brother, just in case y'all don't know. TT been gone for 2 weeks. I want you to be honest with me, okay?
What?
Do you feel like I'm a bad big brother?
Yeah, you should have got him the books or whatever it is.
I said big brother.
I gotta turn the camera. The blow dry.
Go ahead.
Corbin, he's bad.
No, we're not talking about Corbin right now.
Huh?
We're not talking about Corbin right now.
You said Corbin.
I said, am I a bad big brother to TT?
Oh. Yes, he's really mean to TT, y'all.
How am I mean to TT?
He's really, you act like her dad.
I don't believe that at all. I think I'd do just fine with TT. I don't think she live here no more. I think she moved.
Ooh, TT?
Yeah. But people always, I get DMs every day and they tell me that I'm too strict on TT. But these people don't even be having little sisters.
Yeah.
So they don't know how it is.
You too strict.
Let me see how far I go down my neck. Should I flat iron it? Should I flat iron and wear it like that?
Look like cat boobs.
Can you just say I'm a good big brother for the camera?
You're a good big brother, I guess.
Can you not say that I guess part? Because people gonna DM me and keep telling me that I'm not.
Okay, you a good brother.
Huh? Say it one time.
You a good brother.
Wait, action.
You a good brother.
I told y'all from the jump. I keep telling y'all that I'm a good brother, and y'all keep telling me that I'm not. I keep telling I'm too strict, all this other stuff. You think that you can do my hair from now on?
Yes. Yeah. Be the natural hair.
You're a little rougher than TT though.
I'm rougher than TT?
It's okay though.
Okay.
Why you grab my chin like that?
I'm rough, ain't I?
Super rough.
Are you still about right?
Wait.
TT never did this before.
B-R-O-W-A-R-T. Yeah. That's weird. Only Broward Gardens and Broward Highlands or what is this?
Oh.
I mean, I guess put my name in. That's it. Okay. But I don't know what it could be left.
Alright, y'all, I'm headed to the mall right now. Well, I'm already here, and I'm about to grab me I'm gonna grab me some iPhones to give away. So if you want to win, I know I haven't did one giveaway in years. So if you want to win an iPhone 11, not the old shit, you want to win an iPhone 11, follow me on Instagram at PontiacMadeDDG. That's where I'm doing the giveaway at. I would do it on YouTube, but I'm gonna do it on Instagram. So let's get it. This camera is crazy. Oh damn, they got wide angle on this bitch. These ugly ass niggas in the camera. They got a wide angle though, that's crazy. This is sick. Alright, this is sick right here. This is nice. Okay. Alright, so I'm back home. I didn't get the iPhones yet. I gotta go back at 7:30. It's 6:30 right now, so I gotta go back in an hour to pick them up. But I got the iPhone 11 and I got the iPhone Pro Max. Nah, I'm sorry. I got the iPhone 11 for y'all. The iPhone 11 is lit. Got the same cameras and shit. It's just the iPhone Pro or whatever it got. I don't even know the difference, honestly. I don't know the difference, but I just bought two phones. It equaled out to like $2,500. I gotta go pick them up at 7:30. So I will be doing the giveaway on my gram. My Instagram is PontiacMadeDDG, or you can just type in DDG, it'll pop right up. So I'm gonna tell you right now, if you want to enter, you have to follow me. So make sure you follow me. This is a real giveaway. I know I don't do giveaways, but if this one goes good and the results are perfect and the results are right, then I will do one once a week. I have no problem. I would give y'all the world if I could. You know what I mean? I have no problem with doing that. But I will buy a new iPhone every week if this giveaway goes right. So just follow me on Instagram right now at PontiacMadeDDG, and we'll get the giveaway going. So by the time you're watching this, it's not up yet. It's probably gonna be up tomorrow because y'all know I upload hella quick. So I'm probably gonna upload this today. So. But follow me on Instagram, PontiacMadeDDG. That's where the giveaway will be held. So stay tuned for that. I know y'all like, damn, what your braids look like. So I'm trying a new style. I love Kennedy so much. You know, she did her best. She did all she could. It's partly my hair. My hair does not go down. You know, my hair not going down. She says she rushed it. I believe her. She says she rushed it. This one in the back is not laying down. So I'm gonna just, I don't know, I'm gonna do something. TT is no longer in LA, so I can't ask TT no more. She don't live here no more. She lives in Seattle with Mail and them. So I have a sister to braid my hair, so I'm gonna just have to work on what styles me and Kennedy gonna do. So you're gonna see. Kennedy a little busy. She rushed it a little bit. She still did a good job. It's okay. It's alright. It's partly my hair, you know. My hair just doesn't lay down. But I tried to do the little tiger joints where it lay down, like 4 of them and shit like that. But I keep forgetting that I'm black and my hair puffs up. My shit doesn't lay down. But if it lay down like this, if that shit laid down, it should be amazing. I'm probably gonna put some water on it, see if it works. If it doesn't, so be it. It's okay. I don't care if you gone anyway, TT. When you get home, it's still gonna be a problem. So if I was you, I would stay anyway. Oh, DDG, you too strict. I don't give a fuck. It ain't your sister. Mind your goddamn business, folk. If you enjoyed this vlog, do me a favor. Scroll down, smash the goddamn like button. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Mwah. I love your ass, nigga, no homo. Mwah. I love your girl, all homo. Mwah. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, folk. DDG Squad merch. Scroll down and get it before it's gone. Don't fuck with me.
Just fuck with me. Hey,